Prop.
Off we go. We actually have a perfect morning. It's relatively calm winds, just enough to see the surface of the water. We've got really stable air mass, good visibility. Everything's fantastic.
Yeah.
This might be the best flying into sun in front I've ever had. You want to try a water landing?
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, flying this airplane is a real treat. I really love this airplane. Of all the sweepstakes airplanes AOPA has ever had, this is the one I want. Unfortunately, I can't win it unless I quit.
I was going to say we should just quit and put our name in for it.
Touch and go.